Yeah, hi. This is a short video discussing China. This is the book I'm reading, The Complete History of China, and it's written by J.A.G. Roberts. It's quite a thick book, about 1,000 pages, and so it's taken me quite some time to read this book. And in fact, I'll probably never be finished with this book because there's just so much information in there. It's impossible to digest it all. However, the what I wanted to mention about China was that in fact China is not 100% indigenously Chinese. And if you look at a map of China, you can see that in fact there are a wide variety of different groups. And so the Mongolian area, although independent, is definitely not Chinese, and Tibet is not Chinese, and this area in here is Uyghur, which is also a Muslim group, and they are not indigenously Chinese. And the southern area is in fact a different subgroup, and then along the Yangtze Basin into Shandong, these groups have a variety of different flavors and cultures. There is in fact so many different cultures that the government is fundamentally worried about the expression of individualism in terms of cultural uniqueness. And so the central powers, such as they are, will brutally put down anyone who questions their authority. And traditionally, this may have started in a local area, perhaps a land redistribution issue, or an inflation issue, or a corruption issue. And then that movement begins to gather strength and momentum, and people become unhappy with the system, and so they join the group that is protesting the government, and this can quickly move to a regional and actually a national level. And so the history of China is one that really has quite a large number of these revolutions that start from a local hotspot. And within our lifetime, we've seen this in places like Tiananmen, which started in the university campus and then gathered momentum, and the factory workers joined them until the central government decided that they were a threat and brutally repressed them. So, in short, China is a polyglot. It is a wide variety of different groups. They are controlled by the central authority of the government, which now seems to have moved from the political authoritarianism to more of a profit-based authoritarianism. And however, the Chinese still will maintain the control of the central government and is quite likely to brutally repress anybody who wishes to make their local or regional independence known. So that's all for now. Thanks.